Tenastilin, Al-Shalamti, Hemotep. Greetings, brothers and sisters, mommies and daddies, uncles and aunties. I like to use the word instead of saying uncles, I like to use the word fabro or mo bro. My mother brother, my father brother, fabro, mo bro, fabros and mo bros, mother brothers. Those are the words we use in the Kwankwa called Graspmatyx, the language that teaches us math very simple and easy. We don't say words like uncle and auntie. For example, if I say my auntie is coming to Ethiopia, you wouldn't canal which one. Is it my sister's, actually my mother's sister, or my father's sister? You wouldn't canal which one, right? Well, you know, it's just an aunt. But in Graspmatyx the Kwankwa, if it's my sister's and my mother's sister, okay, I would say what? Remember now, she's my mother's sister, so we say Mosi. You see, Mosi, M-O-S-I. The first two letters for the word mother and the first two letters for the word sister, and put it together. You get a word, create a word. Mosi. My Mosi is coming. And this is my father's sister or my dad's sister. What do we say? Dasi, as in daddy's sister, or Fasi, as in father's sister. Now, for some Jamaicans, they use that term Fasi, which means homosexual. You see, it comes with feminine. Ah, I see. Father, sister. Ah, same feminine, all right? But it doesn't mean homosexual in this case, all right? So, Fasi means father, sister, or Dasi, D-A-S-I. F-A-S-I, Fasi, or D-A-S-I, daddy's sister, or my father's sister, all right? So we use those kind of terminology. It makes much more sense. If I say to you, my Mosi is coming to Ethiopia, you should Kenau, remember that word? Kenau, K-N-O-W, is best pronounced Kenau instead of N-O, no. No means don't, can't, not allowed, restricted, stop, no, dispositive, all these dispositive meaning no has. So I wouldn't pronounce a beautiful word like K-N-O-W, Kenau, which means to commit oneself now in the aptitude of learning. And the K that they say is silent in English, the C actually symbolizes or represents Kemet, which is ancient Egypt, they call it today. So it's a way of a Kemet, having a mind of a Kemet people, or Kemetians, right? So you think like a Kemetian, that's why we pronounce the word Kenau. So we would do what? And from the word Kemet, also you get the word in English, commit. So we're talking about committing your mind now in the rhythm of learning based on the ancestors. That's why I pronounce the word canal. My K and sound in that word. No, it's not. No, it's not. So you'll learn a lot with Dr. Yates in many words. And the reason why is because of the language called Graspmatyx that teaches the math the simple and easy way. Home assignment. For those folks who watch part 1 of the new Graspmatyx edition, I ask of you to add up numbers. Here are the numbers. These are the numbers, right? These large numbers. To add them all up and time yourself. And some of you have written unto me and you told me how many times it took you to do it. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for writing to Dr. Yates. There's the email address below the screen. You see the email address. Email dryates@yahoo.com right below there. And you've written unto me and you have complimented me and full encouraged me. Not encourage me, encourage. No, you full encourage Dr. Yates in what he's doing here because you say you are unorthodox. You're original, you're different, and you're fun, and you make it easy. Thank you so much, Dr. Yates. Especially the students, oh, I love them. Oh, they express their genuine gratulations to Dr. Yates. Not no congratulations, you took that con off of that word. Gratulations, right, unto me for what I'm doing. So you tried, and you told me how long it took you. So here's how I'm going to show you how to add up all these numbers the fast, simple, easy, and fun way, Graspmatyx way. All right, here we go. The numbers again are 81,872 plus 42,789 plus 68,128 plus 56,546 plus 99,995. Give thanks. Plus 17 because 17,351 plus 35,463 plus 24,634 and the last number was 73,217. Those are the numbers I told you to sum up or to add and tell me what's the total. Some of you got it right. Others, a lot of you made mistakes. But that's all right. That's okay. That's all right. Large numbers, that's okay. And here's how I will do it based on the 4 principles of Graspmatyx. Again, for those folks who have not seen part 1, let me share with you, you're now watching part 2, let me share with you what are the 4 principles of Graspmatyx. They are 1. Perception, 2. Reasoning, 3. Rhythm, and 4. Restoration. Americans love to pronounce that word restoration. No, the word is not restoration, it's restoring. Restoration, all right? Great. So here's how I'm going to apply that here to the back. First of all, I'll do the equation and I'll come forward with information about how it's so simple. If you notice here on the board, all these numbers, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, right? No, it's 9 of them, right? 9 of them, right? 9 numbers there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay, sets of numbers. And if you notice in the center of all of them, right? The number there in the center is 99,995. Now, that would be part of the answer. Here is the reason why. First of all, we have, if you're adding from the right going to the left, the center number for the first row or integer, right, would be 5, but the middle number there is 5. So what I do, I bring the 5 down and that'll be part of my answer. So I put down 5. And then, if you notice to the left, okay, I have 4 9s. So I'll just bring down the 4 9s and put it in there. Okay? Now, if you notice, right, on my left, or actually it would be your left, which is the coming 9 to me, or the 9 closer to me on the screen, right? On your laptop screen or television screen, whatever you're watching this program, you'll notice, right, above that 9, there are how many numbers? Okay? 4 numbers. Above the 9, you will have 5, 6, right? You have 5, 6, 4, 8. Above the 9, 5, 6, 4, 8. Well, 5, 6, and 4, 8 are 4 places. Okay? You're going above. You notice that. There's 4 places above the 9. And if you go below the 9, there are how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. And those numbers are 1, 7, 3, 2. So the common denominator here is 4. That's right. So you'll put the 4 left of the 9 that is closer to that 8, which would be your left, okay, on the screen. So the answer then would be 499995. That's how simple it is. Simple as that. It is that simple because of the 4 principles of Graspmatyx. And I keep reiterating all the time. I keep telling folks the reason why the math is so simple when you're adding and doing timetables is because of you using the 3 major principles, which are perception, reasoning, and rhythm. Restoration is really restoring those 3 principles, right? We don't use what they call recitational learning. No, we do restoring. Okay? All right. So let's do it again. So simple it is. The answer will be what? 499995. If you have a different answer, write to me and tell me why. Okay? Again, I say the first thing you do is look to the first integer, right, of numbers, to which is the 437156892. Going up, the center number is 5. You put on the 5, and as you look to the left, you got 4 9s. So you put the 4 9s down, plus you put the 4 next to the 9 because you have of the 4 9s. That's how it works. Okay. Besides that, I'll explain in detail. You write to me, I'll give you more information about how Dr. Yates is able to add up all those numbers so simple and easy and get the same answer you got, and it took you a longer time. For school teachers who are watching this, write to me. Headmasters, principals, and deans, college students, keep on writing to Dr. Yates. I'll show you how to do numbers real fast and easy. This is the new Graspmatyx addition. Dr. Yates says unto you, Tanestelin. Shalamti al. Shalamti al. Here's your home assignment before I go fast. Add up these numbers. Okay, and see if you get the same answer. See those numbers there? Add up these numbers before I go. Let me give you a home assignment. Okay, here's your home assignment. 9, 8, Okay, 98,724, 82,186, 36,493, 14,371. Now your middle number is all fives, 55,555. And below that, 43,642 plus 69,969 plus 71,237. 27,818. This is what I want you to do. Add them up and see what you can get to answer. Note here, right? The center numbers are all fives. Okay? How are you going to figure this out now? Okay? This is very important. Okay. This is your friend Dr. Ye saying thank you so much for watching new Graspmatyx addition. Coming forward in part 3, I'll show you how you get the answer the simple and easy way. Explain the simple and easy way of getting the answer. Take care. Dr. Ye say unto you, Shalamti Hemotep.